In such situations, partners are more likely to be poached by alternatives because one's rivals interpret such mismatches as an open invitation. Attractive partners tend to be targets for advances and flirtations. By contrast, less attractive partners are forced to track their partner's movements and also track how they stack up to a potential alternative for their partner. Less attractive partners and partners who feel inferior to their partner take stock of their own qualities, whether they are still unique or need improvement. So here it is, this low value man leaves his low value wife to pursue a high value woman, but the problem with that, he thinks he has accomplished something. He thinks he has been productive, but he's only opened the door for mate poaching, meaning that a high value man will look at that high value woman with that low value man and say, what is she doing with him? And then it is more likely that he will make his he would go and appeal to that high value woman, basically suggesting that you don't need to be with him. I'm a high value man, so you come on with me. See, it never works out that you leave one mate for another in a long-term cohabitation situation or in a marital partnership. You know, I remember something about Johnny Depp. He was with someone for 18 years, I think. Long-term cohabitation situation, no marriage. And then Amber Heard comes along and sort of pulls him out of that relationship, or he allows her to pull him out of that relationship. They get married. And it's funny, he didn't marry the 18-year relationship woman. He married this other woman, this young girl, fleeting. Well, they stay married for, you know, a short time or so. And then he has actually had more trouble with that new partner than with the old. You never heard of him having any issues with the woman that he had a relationship with for 18 years. This new partner claims that he hit her and that you know, domestic violence, and they had to go to court and all this kind of craziness or whatever. And then there was a divorce settlement, and then he ends up having to give her some money, and then she gives the money that he gives her to charity. So in some cases, she might have just wanted to be with, you know, Johnny Depp. In many cases, he wanted to be with maybe a younger woman, usually for sexual variety, right? But it didn't turn out the way that he thought it was going to turn out. It was just really a waste. So if the partner that he was with for 18 years, you know, tried to become irreplaceable, he had already made up his mind that he was going to leave her and marry some new chick, some new young chick, who was kind of a little bit hot in the film, in the movies for a bit. She's not anymore. But he's going to leave her and then go to some little new chick, hot chick or whatever, and it didn't work out. If anything, it sort of brought down his reputation.